Good day to all of you young learners. You have learned all about adjectives or describing words that tell us more about different nouns and pronouns and adverbs that tell us more about action words or verbs. These adjectives and adverbs which show different characteristics can also be compared. Different forms of both adjectives and adverbs are used to show the comparisons of quality between two or more things. This change in form is called the degrees of comparison. Today, you will be learning about how these comparisons can be made in different degrees. There are mainly 3 degrees of comparison, namely positive, comparative, superlative. Let's have a look at each of these degrees separately. 1. Positive degree denotes the quality that is present or denotes it as being equal to another. For example, in this sentence, A rose is a pretty flower, a quality that is present. We use the adjective pretty to describe the rose flower. However, this quality of being pretty can also be compared when we talk about two different flowers. B. A rose is as pretty as a sunflower. This sentence denotes that both the flowers, rose and sunflowers, are equally pretty and thus they are being equal to another. The sequence as plus adjective plus as is always used only in positive degree. Let's learn about the comparative degree. Comparative degree expresses a comparison between two persons or things. It denotes higher degree of quality than the positive. For example, A rose is prettier than a sunflower. In this sentence, there is a comparison between two flowers, rose and a sunflower, and unlike the positive degree, the words prettier than indicates that rose is of a higher quality compared to a sunflower. Similarly, in this sentence, B. Seema is taller than Asha. Here, again the words taller than are used to compare the height of two girls. So we know in terms of height, Seema was taller than Asha. The word than is always used in comparative degree. The last degree is superlative degree. Superlative degree expresses the comparison between more than two persons or things. For example, A. The tulip was the prettiest of all the flowers in the garden. Here, there is a comparison among many flowers and we are stating that amongst all those flowers, the prettiest is the tulip flower. Similarly, in the next example, B. Seema is the tallest girl in the class. In this sentence, the word the tallest indicate that there is a comparison among many girls in the class and amongst all the girls, Seema is the tallest. The definite article the is always used in superlative degree. With the help of these examples and definitions, we have learned how different adjectives and adverbs appear in positive, comparative and superlative degrees. The terms always used in the 3 degrees will also help us identify the degree correctly. Let's revise. Positive degree is denoted by as plus adjective plus as. Example, as fast as honest as. Comparative degree is denoted by A. Adjective plus er plus than. Example, faster than. B. More plus adjective plus than. More honest than. Superlative degree is denoted by A. The plus adjective plus est. Example, the fastest. B. The plus most plus adjective. The most honest. Let's consider a few more adjectives and how they are written in all three degrees. The adjective beautiful can be written in the following forms. Positive, as beautiful as. Comparative, more beautiful than. Superlative, the most beautiful. The adjective heavy can be written as heavy as. Heavier than. The heaviest. Let's consider a few distinct examples. The adjective good can be written in the following manner. As good as. Better than. The best. Similarly, the adjective bad can be written as bad as. Worse than. The worst. Now that you have understood to identify the three degrees and write different adjectives in all three degrees, let's learn how to change the degree. Students, you must remember that while changing the degree, you must not change the meaning of the original sentence. The first example is, Raj is the tallest boy in the class. As the words the tallest has been used, we know the sentence is in superlative degree. We are comparing Raj's height to the height of all other students in the class. We can therefore rewrite this sentence in positive and comparative degree. In positive degree, the adjective tall should be written as tall as. We start the positive degree with the words no other. The same sentence in positive degree would be, no other boy in the class is as tall as Raj. In comparative degree, the adjective tall will be written by taller than any other. The statement in comparative degree would be, Raj is taller than any other boy in the class. Students, you will notice that in all three degrees, the meaning of the sentence remains the same. Let's take another example. Mahabaleshwar is cooler than Matheran. In this sentence, two hill stations, Mahabaleshwar and Matheran, are being compared with each other. When two events, two places, people or objects are compared, the sentence cannot be written in superlative degree. Such statements will thus be written only in positive and comparative degree. The original sentence uses the words cooler than, tells us that the sentence is in comparative degree. It is also an affirmative sentence. While rewriting this sentence in positive degree, we should see that the meaning does not change. If we write, Matheran is as cool as Mahabaleshwar, the meaning of the original sentence will change. Therefore, we will introduce a negative word, not, in the positive degree. First, let's swap the two places. Matheran, Mahabaleshwar. Let's maintain the verb is. Next, we introduce the negative word. We rewrite the adjective cool in positive degree. Matheran is not as cool as Mahabaleshwar. You can follow this method for sentences that only compare two things. Swap the two things, people, places. Write one degree in affirmative and the other in negative. Now that you have understood the concept of identifying and changing the degrees, you can now solve similar sentences that have been given in the assignment section.